Is this your favorite category of food, the proteins? Proteins have the widest variety of functions in the human body, so much more than the carbohydrates and lipids. We can use them for energy. They provide structure, such as in our muscles. Hormones. Insulin is a protein. There are cell receptors on our membranes that are proteins. Antibodies that fight infection are proteins. Enzymes that speed up all of our chemical reactions are proteins. In one mammalian cell, there may be as many as 10,000 different types of proteins. Proteins, like carbohydrates and lipids, are organic. They contain carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, and nitrogen. Some of the proteins contain sulfur. The building blocks of proteins are amino acids. Amino acids are called amino acids because they contain an amino group and an acid group. If you look at the diagram of the structures, in the middle row you'll see an amine. There's the nitrogen found in every protein. If you look just below it, you'll see an acid, carboxylic acid. That's the acid portion of the amino acid. There are 20 amino acids. You do not need to know these amino acids, but you might recognize some of them. If you look at the pink boxes, you'll see that there are a wide variety of structures. On the far upper left is glycine, and in that pink box, called the R group, there is merely one hydrogen. But if you go far right, you see tryptophan, and that structure is much more complex. Outside of the pink box, you see the amino group and the acid group. So each amino acid has the amino group and the acid group, and a different side chain called the R group. That's represented by the pink structure.